Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi S5 key fob. First, locate the small silver button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for manually unlocking your car and also for accessing the battery compartment. Keep it in a safe place nearby for the next steps. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see two small buttons on the sides of the key fob where the key was. Press both of these buttons at the same time. While holding them down, gently pull the middle section, which is the battery tray, straight out. It might be a bit snug, so a slight wiggle can help. Once out, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. With the battery tray in hand, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the tray. It's crucial to ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing down into the tray. Make sure the battery is seated firmly and correctly to ensure proper contact for optimal performance. Finally, slide the battery tray back into the key fob until you hear a reassuring click, indicating it's securely in place. Then, reinsert the emergency key blade. Test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it's working correctly. If you found this guide helpful, please check the description for links to recommended CR2032 batteries and other great deals, like darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.